Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking smartwatch. It is from a company called Blitzwolf and it is modeled BW-BE1. It is a phenomenal standalone, plus you can also pair it with your phone watch. This bad boy has 2 cameras and also it has 3 GB of RAM and it comes with MT6739 processor. It is running 1.25 GHz. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here is how the box looks. Yes, it's very tiny. And once you open it, the watch is sitting right on top. And once you take everything out one by one, here are all the components that are part of this box. So it comes with this user manual. Now when you open it, it has everything that you need to learn about this watch. Now going through it, it has everything step by step, which we're trying to cover in this video. Now it comes with this charger, which is a really cool thing. Now that's going to be connected in the back. It does have little magnets, and when you look on the other side of it, it is USB 2.0, so this way it will charge quickly. Now here's the best part, the actual rest band. Now when you are taking it out, you will be able to hook this up in a jiffy, and we will show you in a few seconds how that is possible. But this is silicone. It is really thin silicone, and here is the watch. It's sitting inside of a little plastic so it doesn't get scratched up till it gets to you, but once you see it, it is way bigger than the other watches. The best part about this watch is that it is a little bit thicker and it has a screen protector right on top of it. So here are some little details about it. There is a little sensor and it has a little spot so you can put a nano SIM inside of it, and yes, you can use this as a phone. Here's the charger part. And then when you go around, you have the button, you have the 2 megapixel camera, and then you have another button where you're going to put the band. Here's the speaker. Now going around it, nothing on this side. There's the mic, and then going more, there's the other little lens for the actual camera so you can take a picture. We will capture these in a few seconds again, but that's about it. And then on the top, really nice and big screen. And then let's take this off too. And there you go. And to turn it on, you just have to press this top button. It takes a couple of seconds and then it just turns on. So we will wait for it till it totally comes on. While it's booting up, let's hook up the bands. Now in order to hook up the band, there is a little part that you can pull and you will see that little needle will go inside. That's how easy it is to hook it up. And there are tons of them out there that you can buy, and you can switch these bands. So you do not have to really going to be stuck with this version. Now there are some that are made out of leather that you can use too, so you can connect and you can play with. And there you go, this is also connected now. I really like the way that this looks. You can see that how easy it is to play with it. If you scroll, you will be able to see some of the menus. Something like you want to put it on a actual airplane mode, you can do that. Enter your SIM and it will refresh. Another thing is you want to connect it to Wi-Fi. It will look for Wi-Fi, it will get connected. Another thing is that you can turn on your location services. Also, you can connect it via Bluetooth, which we will do with our phone. And then going on the side, you have a swiper. So this way it clears all the background apps. So you can close it so you do not have to use a lot. If you have any kind of music, yes, you can play it. And then you can turn up or down the volume. And you can see the volume changes when you press it. That's the good part. Another thing is you can also see the weather. These are the best parts about this. Also, it shows that if your phone is connected via Bluetooth and you have to turn it on, or the SIM card is connected, it also tells you the battery right in the middle, and you have full information on what date it is and also the time. Another thing is that little bar around it is for the battery. It shows exactly how much battery you have. Now when you go to the main screen, you have different looks for the watch that you can select and you can play with. What I really like is that this watch, they have really paid attention to make sure it is bumper to bumper on this bezel. So that way you cannot turn the dial on the top, but you will get everything ready and that way it will work for you. Now same thing when you go in, just like your regular phones, you have everything set up inside of it. You can even go to gallery and also to your camera. Now go into the camera itself. When you select it, it should automatically detect, and the side camera is right now on, and that's why you see our finger. This watch is a 4G smartwatch. It's still one of the most popular categories of smartwatches. It is not surprising that Blitzwolf ventured in this area and own a version of 4G capable watches, introducing the latest version of the BW-BE1 smartwatch, wearable with a sporty look and equipped with dual cameras. So the design on this is really made for outdoors. It is made out of metal and ceramic. The body is 2 physical buttons to it. As you can see right now, it has 2 cameras, one on the front and one on the side. And once you're trying to flip it back and forth, this is how it is possible. The watch weight is roughly about 75 grams. For the display, the Blitzwolf has 1.6 inch with high definition TFT LCD and 400 by 400 pixel resolution. Sensor included in this device are G sensor, heart rate monitoring, and also GPS. The wearable is 4G smartwatch. It is equipped with nano SIM card support, as you can see right now, capable with GSM, WCDMA, and FDD LTE. Now I have to mention that it does work in Canada. The one I'm using is Rogers, and it works phenomenal. For the battery, it has a 800 milliamp battery, which standby time is about 3 days and about 2 days of normal usage. Now we have put this in a test. We noticed is how much task you want to put to it. Once we used it with the actual watch, it was working just fine for a good full day. When we paired it with our phone, because of so much notifications, we noticed that the battery life decreased, and because of the size of actual watch, it ran roughly about 8 hours, and then we saw that it ran down to almost 2%. Now you can see that on the screen we're showing you, there is a lot of apps involved in it. You can install other ones on top, but the ones that was part of it, as you can see right now I'm scrolling, is Maps, Assistance, File Manager, Weather, Voice Search, Calendar, Music, and a few little more. When you want to pair this with your phone, there is an app that you have to download, and once that is installed, it is very easy to maneuver and go back and forth. It has the heart rate monitor. Also, it has a few little features inside of it when you want to check more. So you have to swipe up in order to see all of these features, such as it will show you exactly how much you walked. On top of that, the second part will be your steps. It will count it for you for current day. The next part is how far did you go. And then the last part is how much calorie you lost or burned. So the standalone part of this watch, we will leave it for another video. Now I have to mention that this was our take on the Blitzwolf's BW-BE1, which was provided to us by Banggood.com. Links are all available where you can order it from, and these guys are phenomenal. When you order it, it is very quick to get to you. If you have any questions, drop them at the bottom of the video. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.